Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set a password on Windows 11 to add an extra layer of security to your computer. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. It's important to let everything finish loading so you don't run into any issues while adjusting your security settings. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, navigate to your Windows Start menu located within your taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click on it. This is your main gateway to accessing system settings and applications. Once the Start menu opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Sign In options and hit Enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the security settings where you can manage how you log into your Windows account. After hitting Enter, a Sign In options settings window will appear on your screen. This window contains all the different ways you can secure your computer, including passwords, pins, and biometric options. From this window, look for the option labeled Password and click on it. This is where you'll be able to add or modify your login password to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you click on Password, the option will expand to reveal additional settings. You'll see an Add button below the password heading. Click on this Add button to begin creating your new password. A password creation window will now appear on your screen, and this is where you'll set up your credentials. In the first field provided, enter the password you wish to use for logging into your Windows 11 account. Make sure to choose something secure but also memorable. On the next field, confirm the password by typing it again exactly as you entered it the first time. This ensures you haven't made any typing errors. You also have the option to add a hint for your password in the third field. This hint can help you recall your password if you ever forget it, but make sure the hint isn't too obvious that someone else could guess your password from it. Once all the fields are filled in correctly, click on the Next button at the bottom of the window. Windows will process your new password and prepare it for use. You'll then be directed to a password creation confirmation screen. Simply click on Finish to complete the process and save your new password. Your Windows 11 account is now protected with a password, and you'll need to enter it every time you log in. And that's it. You've successfully set a password on your Windows 11 computer, adding an important security measure to keep your files and personal information safe. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.